Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 2016 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante. Volante meaning convertible. Hop on in, we'll do a cold start, we'll tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are in this beautiful fall day. Do a cold start on our 2016 Vanquish Volante. Push the key in, hold the key in. She fires right up. Gas light works, so we're going to stop and get some gas and we'll be back to you. Okay, so here we are, 2016 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante. Put a little fuel in her. Really does drive very well. Go through the trip meter here. 8479 miles on it. Great option, especially on a little chilly day today. All four windows can be put up so you can have a conversation. Heated seats are working very well as well today. We'll come up to the S's and we'll be back to you. All right. Oh, listen to that V12. Great handling. Really tremendous car. Great horsepower, great transmission shifting. You got the paddle shifts as well. You can downshift. A great exhaust note. Listen to that, matching the revs. We'll come up here, we'll drop jack off, and we'll do some flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Again, 2016 Vanquish Volante. This car had over $330,000 window sticker. Bang & Olufsen stereo, piano black interior, 177 steering wheel, black brake calipers, silver opposing stitching throughout. Full Bluetooth functionality on the stereo, heated seats, black grille. We'll come up here to the farm road and we'll open her up a little bit for you. Okay, here we are. We'll step on it a little bit here. Great V12 sound. My goodness. This car is like a missile. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we'll catch you on the next one.